All right, welcome to the video. This is Sherrod. This is going to be a really quick video about how to use share codes with LeadsLeap. So for example, I want to show you guys what I'm about to do. This is a capture page that I created. Now let's say that I want to give you this capture page, okay? I want it to be in your account so that you could use it. Let's go ahead and do that by using the share code. The only thing you would need to do is create a free LeadsLeap account. Once you're in your account, this is what it's going to look like, okay? The next thing you want to do in order to use the share code that I give you or someone else gives you, you want to scroll down to My Landing Pages. So that's step one. Click My Landing Pages. This is really easy to do. The next thing we want to do is go ahead and click Add New Campaign. So we need to add a campaign. That's step two. All right, we're going to go ahead and name that Test 2. You got to name it Test 2. Well, I got Test 2 already, Test 22. And then click Add New. Okay, so the next thing that's going to happen, you're going to see this green bar up here. It says, okay, you got your campaign. The next thing you do is add a new page. So you want to scroll down right here. It's going to be the very first one. Okay, click right here to add a new page. That's step 3. We can add a blank page or we can import a share code, and that's what we want to do. So I already have the share code to this page right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in. Okay, so paste it in. Now import now. Okay, and then boom. Okay, now let me show you real quick. You're gonna scroll down. The next thing you want to do, if you want to edit that page with you want to edit it and add your affiliate link, you click Launch Editor. Okay, what's going to happen is it's going to look exactly like this. You're going to come in, you're going to be able to edit the page the way you like. All this, change out your affiliate links. Usually that's all you're going to need to do. So let's say that you just need to change out your affiliate link. You click right there, boom, and then change that out. Okay, and then save. Now it's going to say your work is saved. Then over here, this page is going to start refreshing. So you see how it refresh? Okay, so now it's ready to go. You can see everything started all over. Now, here's the thing about it. Right now, this page is active. But when you create your new page, it's not going to be active, okay? It's going to say inactive. So before you start marketing, make sure that you check the status, okay? And if it says inactive, just click right there, and then it's going to go boom. It's going to refresh and it's going to make that page active. If you want to get a share code to the page and you want to share it with somebody else, click right here to get the share code. Okay, that's going to give you the share code to this page. Now let's go live and see what the page looks like. Okay, Test 22. Let's see if it looks exactly like the page that I did. Okay, pretty easy. It's just like 3 or 4 steps. That's it. Boom, you see it right there live. That's it. So if this was your account, that page would be in your account. So you guys stay blessed. That's how you use share codes. Really super simple. Thank you.